And then we'll drop the white to make it really defined. Don't let it blend thing out. Right here. A little more glitter. And then just using a twin tip brush. Just capsule that. Looks really good. You can draw however you would like. I think it's gonna turn out great because marble, remembers, like it doesn't matter if you're doing a liquid and powder, painting, or blossom gels, or fusion ink, which is marble ink. It all marble looks different every single time. So I'm using blossom gels. This will help accelerate and spread them, the gels, really nicely, and it creates the marble look for the gels. So one coat. You don't want to do it too much. Also, you don't want to do it too thin. Too much is going to spread so fast. Too thin, it's not going to be enough to spread it out for you. So it's just a piece of this. And what you need to do is just pick it up. Like I pick it up before with the brush, and it turned out great. And with this one, you can like so every time you apply that, it's gonna give you a totally different look. If you wanna cover it completely, it's great. Looks really good. So I'm gonna cure it under the LED light for about 60 seconds. I just want to make sure I'm say hi to everyone. Hope everyone have a great day today. And then you can just wipe it off, or you can do using another one. So let me move. And before, I usually pick that one and lay it on the nails. So however it works for you. So many different ways. You can just do it away, but this one wipe off. And I did this one earlier, and this one is just a different look. Every time you create that, it's going to be a totally different look of the marble. So in the meantime, we're waiting. I am going to let me dust this off quick for my just a little bit powder in here. So I'm gonna using the bender. If you haven't seen this one, there's different shape on that, but I am going to using this. I bend this one already, so you can see it kind of bend. So it's gold and it fit perfect right on the top of the nails with the C curve. I'm just gonna show you this one so you can see it better. This one is more like flat. So when it using it, just lay it right here. Place it right on, like inside that curve of the bender, and using the bender tools on the top, and just press it. You can lay it on the station. I'm just holding it. I don't know why. I'm just holding it closer for you. Look at that. So now it's bent. So if you want to do more, then you can bend it more. So it's gonna showing is, you can see it if I put it in surface. It's perfect. Looks really great. So let's do some crystal placements on this. And I did bend this one also. I did bend this one as well. So I want to use some fun, different collection. Where is that? Where is that? The frame, the gold frame, right there. Okay, so condensed glue gel. And it's really thick density, so make sure if you're first time using it, don't hesitate to blend them really just bend it and like just blend them really nicely. You don't need it too much, but also you don't need it too thin, because it's too thin, it's not going to be enough. But then it's too much, it might flood your crystal. So I'm going to do right in the middle. You know, it's just going to look good too. You can put some foil leaf here, it's going to look great. Okay, so put it on the side. And no wipe top coat. There's no white top coat, and condensed glue gels is a great tool to adhere the crystal. It help grab the base of the crystals. And also second benefit of it, and when you finish, you don't have to worry about tacky layer between crystals at all, because it's already completely capped. Floating on the top of your condensed glue gels. Try not to drag it down, because then it might contaminating it, and it makes all of your surfaces get sticky. Can I get that tray, please? This might be big. I'm gonna give it a try. Perfect. I feel like in the Easter theme, I'm using it one of a collection that we have. And we are using the rose gold. I'll pick this one up, just a yellow. One of my Easter collections here. I just want a little bit of crystal placements as well as dragon scale, because they're so cute. And I don't want to cover all that marble a little bit. It's become look like an ombre look now. I'm gonna put some do some beads in there. You can, if you are happy with this, or your clients like love the look, you don't have to add the beads on. But if you want to add some more to make it like a jewelry decoration, you can add it on. And we have a lot of questions at how they do a crystal placements, how it's gonna be is good and it looks good. So you know, is your creativity, your creation is really is a key to make it looks good. So as long as you place all your crystal tight next to each other, and you see it turn out perfect. Doesn't matter, different shape, different look, different sizes. Just make sure you place them really close together. Give it a little bit. Looks super cute. You know, I come back to see everybody again. It was live earlier. We did all about liquid gunpowder and ombre and it's all different designs. So I'm so excited to come back. We're gonna do so many different, like 4 of them. Okay, good background. I am going to cure this for 60 seconds if you're happy with this. Looks really nice. Okay. Just look at my finger. Let's move it onto this side. And also, if with this one, if you want to, you can do this on it, but we're not gonna do this one because we wanna move on to the next one. And I'm using this bender to bend that to make it really nice natural curve on the C curve, so it fits perfect on the nails place. Great, so let's do in a different. Hey, Spamolix, how are you? So let's do one of the designs that's on Jennifer's. Dazzle Digits were asking for the chrome, so we're not using this chrome pinky rose thing. Okay, so now this one is done. Usually normally it's gonna be done, but I'm gonna be double secured using precision glue. And you see, I check first. I'm gonna do a little exam, and if you feel that scratchy, that's why you're gonna squeeze it in. And do not worry about if you get over the frames, like a metal frame, it's not gonna hurt it, but we'll try not to get into the top of your crystal, because then it's gonna just affects the cut and the size of your crystal. So each time you squeeze out just that much, and it's gonna go automatically blend again and fill into all the cracks, gaps, and edges of the nails of the crystal. So then it will help seal it in, so it will prevent from catching on the hair